How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you all my favorite setup for the upcoming week, giving you my price targets, my stop loss, and the game plan going forward into next week. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First ETF on the watch list is SPY. Very popular among day traders, especially if you trade options. And I have some solid levels for you all. First off, I want you to know this is a short level. So on short levels, I do go a little lighter size. They tend to be a little higher risk because they are breakout trades. My level on SPY is below 355.7. I think once we break that, we have room down to 355. Then below that, my next price target would be 353.6. And you can see the remaining price targets below that. I will use probably 355 puts or 354 puts for this trade. I do not trade same day expiration, so if you're doing this as a day trade, I would go out to the following expiration. Takes a little bit of risk off. Next stock I'm watching, Apple, ticker AAPL. You know, we could watch this for a short as well, but what I'm really interested in on Apple, I don't know if we'll see it this week, but if we do, the level I'm watching is around this 129 area for a bounce. I like the risk to reward in that area. My stop loss on the Apple trade would be at 128.3. So if we filled that 129 to 128.8 area, my stop loss would be set at 128.3 on Apple. The risk to reward is there. I do like that setup. It is a support. Third stock on the watch list, Amazon, ticker AMZN. Don't go anywhere. The stock coming up next is one of my favorite stocks to day trade. I have a solid level, so stick around and catch that. I like this Amazon for a bounce as well. This is a bounce area I've been watching for a while. And it's down here around this 101.4 area. 102 cause more than likely to be what I use down there. This is a big area on Amazon. So just trade smart, okay? Be sure you know how to manage your risk before you take any of these trades. And if you're having trouble managing risk, check out my account building guide that I put out. It has a video in it. I kind of walk you through all of this. It's basically like a pre-recorded one-on-one with me. Anyways, I like this off a bounce, and I think off this bounce, as far as I can see, we have room back up to this 103.45 area. And my stop loss on this trade would be at 100.9. I love the risk to reward here. That 100 is a whole psychological number. So that's the only thing I don't like about this trade, because we could, market makers could want that area. So just keep that in mind and follow your trading plan. Fourth and final stock I'm watching, one of our favorite stocks at Team Bull, one of my personal favorite stocks to trade using options day trading. I really like the way Amazon honors bounce levels, especially the 20 EMA bounce on the hourly time frame. If you haven't checked out my video on that, you should check that out. I really like trading Walmart based off that. But this is a bounce off support I'm looking for. And I like this 128.37 area. That's where I'm going to be looking to add calls. And if we fail this 127.9 area, I will get out for a very small loss. The risk to reward is definitely here on this Walmart bounce. You can see my price targets. As always, my price targets are on the right here. And that's all the stocks I'm watching this week. Game plan for the upcoming week, I'm trying to tighten up my trading game. I'm going to be super picky in my trades. A+ setups only. For me, an A+ setup would be a nice reversal pattern. Reversal candles, moves out of supply and demand, but with volume confirming. Stuff like that's what I look for. I like 3 things telling me to enter any trade. That's just a rule I keep. For those that have my trading plan, you know that. But as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I will catch you next time.